I'm Mrs. Prazu. I am the library teacher at St. James School. This is my first year in library, my 5th year at St. James. I was a 4th grade teacher prior to starting in library this year. For several years, the library has been run by parent volunteers, so I am excited to collaborate with teachers to provide literacy enrichment to the students, expose the students to different genres, and to help them develop a love of reading. We are continuing our Battle of the Books program. That program is open to 3rd through 8th graders, and there's a list of titles that they read and they battle with their grade levels and then against other grade levels as well. We're hosting a book fair again during Catholic Schools Week. We use Anderson's book fairs, and the students will be coming in and shopping for books during their scheduled time. I look forward to seeing all of the students. We also will have an online option for the students to shop during that time. We are working on expanding our book selection and possibly redesigning the library in the next few years. We hope you will join us at St. James School to see what we have to offer you.